My name is Dr. Julie Kramer, and I'm going to share 5 tips to help you live healthy and happy to 100. Tip number 1, cook your food. Cooking your food is really great to begin breaking down the cell walls so your body doesn't have to work so hard during the digestive process. It lets it absorb more nutrients. So even though raw food has more nutrients in the lab, in your body, cooked food gives you more nutrients. More nutrients equals greater health and longevity. The other reason to cook your food is that when you have raw food, your kale salad looks like a lot to eat, but if you cooked that down, you would see it's less than 1 cup of cooked food, which is the minimum you need for a portion. Cooking your food gives you more nutrients. Tip 2, eat according to the seasons. Our bodies aren't made to be eating the same foods all year. In the summer, nice, light, cooling foods help us prevent a condition called phlegm damp. So meats, which are very heating, are not good in the summer. Keep those barbecues down to 1 time a week if you can't resist. In the autumn, we want to start building back the heat that we've released in the summer. Squashes, rice, koi seeds, all sorts of foods will help you clear summer heat and warm the body internally to improve circulation in the winter. In the winter, go for your meats, stews, soups, roasted foods. Bring in that warmth. Nourish the body as you rest. Spring is the time to detox. We want to let go of that winter heat, the fat that we've built up to keep ourselves warm, and that is the safe time to eat lots of the cooked green foods, broccoli, kale, chard, spinach, everything that you can to clear the heat and detoxify. Tip number 3 is after you've eaten these incredibly cooked, nourishing meals, correct for the seasons, you're gonna walk 100 steps. Literally, get up from the kitchen table and just walk. Walking aids digestion, and there is this ancient Chinese medicine expression that walking 100 steps after each meal will help you live to 99. We'll call it 100, but walk after each meal. If you can walk outside, even better. Tip number 4 is move more throughout your day. Exercising once a day for 1 hour will not help you live to 100. You need to move the body because sitting, research has shown, is as bad for your body as smoking. So get up, move every half hour if you can, at least every hour. Which brings me to tip 5. The movements you do each of those times are really going to shape your health. If you can do twisting movements like knocking on the door of life, folding movements like a side bend, balancing movements, as well as the squatting, really bending and moving the legs and knees, these types of movements increase circulation, clear blockages and stagnation, cleanse your lymph system, and keep you healthy to 100. These tips are easy to incorporate once you get started, so don't wait. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.